Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're getting the invalid annotation object error while opening a PDF in Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Reader, don't worry, you're not alone. This error recently started appearing for many users, and in this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step fix that worked perfectly for me. Let's get started. When you try to open a PDF file in Adobe, you may see an error saying Invalid Annotation Object Error, and the file either doesn't open properly or shows corrupted content. The issue is usually related to annotations or comments inside the PDF, not your computer. Open the PDF in Google Chrome. Right-click on the PDF file. Select Open with Google Chrome. Once the PDF opens in Chrome, click on the print icon or press Ctrl+P. In the print window, go to Destination. Select Save as PDF. Click Save. Rename the file. This is important. Choose a location and save it. Chrome will create a clean new PDF without the problematic annotations. Open a new file in Adobe. Now open the newly saved PDF in Adobe Acrobat or Adobe Reader. The error should be gone. Problem solved. Why this works? Google Chrome rebuilds the PDF while printing, which removes corrupted or unsupported annotation objects that cause the error in Adobe. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more quick tech fixes. If you're still facing issues, drop a comment below and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.